Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about slope of straight line. Define slope of straight line. Then note that a single line parallel to x-axis, slope becomes 0. Single straight line perpendicular to x-axis, slope of line is not defined, that is infinity. Condition for two parallel lines as well as perpendicular lines. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal, and conversely, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes must be -1. That is m1, m2 is equal to -1, and conversely. Okay. Now, today we will discuss the different form of equation of straight lines. That is most important. There are some important different form of equations of straight lines. What are those? So first one is 1.4. 1.4. Second one is slope intercept form. Remember, second one is slope intercept form. Third one is slope of line joining. Slope of line joining 2 points. Slope of line joining 2 points. Then fourth one is 2.4. 2.4. Okay. Next, fifth one is intercept form. Intercept form. Then finally, normal form. Normal form. These are the different form of straight lines. 1 form, slope intercept form, slope of line joining 2 points, then 2 form, intercept form, then normal form. Okay. Now let us discuss about one by one. So first one is 1 form. Okay. Remember that formula, and that derivation is also most important. Now derive that result. Now here first one is first type 1.4. Now here the question, derive. All derivations are important. Okay, you must practice it. Derive the equation of straight line or line passing through the point. Derive the equation of straight line passing through the point PT, means point, say in general x1, y1, having slope, having slope m. Then to find its equation of line. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, x1 y1 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಮತ್ತು x1 y1 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್, coordinate. To representing the points in x and y axis, that is known as ordinate, coordinate, denoted by, represented by open bracket. So ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is its equation of line? That equation of line is known as 1 form. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ 1 form, 1 formula. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದೇ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, find the equation of straight line passing through the point x1, y1 with slope, having a slope m. Then to find its equation. Very simple derivation. Look here. Let x and y axis. Let consider x and y axis. This is x axis, that is y axis. O is the horizon. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, L be a straight line. ಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೇ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x1 y1. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪು ಎಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್? ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x1 y1 makes an angle theta with x-axis, that is known as slope of straight line, which is denoted by m is equal to tan theta. Having slope m is given, m represents slope. A straight line passes through the point x1 y1, makes an angle theta with x-axis, that is known as slope of straight line, represented by m is equal to tan theta. Right? Now construct, take a point, ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮಾ ವಾಯ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮಾ ವಾಯ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಎಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಎಮ್. ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಎಲ್ and PM perpendicular to which axis? X-axis. Draw AL and PM perpendicular to which axis? X-axis. Okay. Then again construct from the point A. Draw AN. Draw AN. ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು? ಪಿ ಎಮ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್? ಇದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾನು? ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಥೀಟಾ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು. ಅನುರೂಪ ಕೋನಗಳು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Okay, this is theta, that is also theta, right? Okay, now OL lies on which axis? OL ಯಾವ axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? horizontal line lies on which axis? X axis. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ OL ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? OL ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ at the point A. OL lies on which axis? X axis. So OL length is, X axis length is x1. Similarly, OM lies on which axis? Again it is horizontal line. That OM is also lies on x-axis. So OM distance at the point P, x-axis distance is x. Then take vertical line, y-axis. AL lies on which axis? Y-axis, vertical line. So AL ಯಾವ x ಮೇಲಿದೆ? y-axis ಮೇಲಿದೆ. What is AL length? That is y1. Correct? Similarly, PM lies on which axis? Vertical line, y-axis. Its length is y. OL lies on x-axis, OL length is x. OM lies on x-axis, OM length is x. Vertical line, AL lies on y-axis, its length is y1. And PM lies on again y-axis, PM length is y. Right? Okay. Now here, from the triangle PAN, PAN, angle n 90 degree, angle A is theta. Tan theta is equal to, why we take tan? Because slope of line represented by m is equal to tan theta. Right? So tan theta is equal to, definition of tan, you know, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Correct? In this triangle, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪಿ ಎನ್ ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್, ಪಿ ಎನ್. ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಎನ್. ನೌ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, but tan theta is nothing but what? M. Correct? Is equal to Pn. See the diagram. Pn length can be written as Pm minus Nm. ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ಪಿ ಎಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಎನ್ ಎಮ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಮ್. ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಮ್ ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಎನ್. ಎ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಮ್. ಎ ಎನ್ ಲೆಂತು ಎಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಲೆಂತು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಮ್. that is equal to Pm minus Nm. See the diagram. Nm is same as what? Nm length ಮತ್ತು Al length ಎರಡು equal ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? So instead of Nm we can write Al because both are equal, right? Divided by Lm. Lm can be written as Om minus Ol. Om length ಅಲ್ಲೇ OL ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಓ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓ ಎನ್. ಓ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓ ಎಲ್. ಓ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಓ ಎಲ್. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಎಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್? ವಾಯ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್? ವಾಯ್ ಒನ್. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ OM. OM length is x minus OL length is x1. So m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. What is m? M andre no slope. Therefore slope of line is y minus y1. Therefore slope of line is m is equal to, using 1 point, y minus y1 by x minus x1. This is slope, not equation. ಅವ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನ. ಈಗ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತಿದು? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಈಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Now to find the equation, therefore cross multiply y minus y1 is equal to, cross multiply m into bracket x minus x1. This represent equation of straight line passing through the one point x1 y1 with the slope m. This equation is known as, this formula is known as, ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ? This is known as one point form. This is known as one point form. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, that is known as one point form. So remember, equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 with the slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Okay, now remember that formula. Here this is slope of line. So what is slope of that line is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. Okay, now for example, now they may be asked one more question. They may be asked in final exam. So the question like this. Now here find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line like this. Now the question like this. Find the equation of straight line. Equation of straight line or equation of line passing through the point, first one, passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 with the slope minus 4. Second one, passing through the point minus 4 comma 3 with the slope 1 by 2. Third one, passing through the point 0 comma 0 with the slope m. Then fourth one, passing through the point 2 comma 2 root 3 and inclined means makes an angle inclined with x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. And fifth one, passing through the point. Now equation of line intersecting the x-axis okay, intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the horizon with the slope -2. Based on 1-point form, these are the problems, very simple problems. Okay, now here each problem carries 1 mark as well as 2 mark. Now remember that formula, equation of line passing through the point x1 y1 having a slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Okay, now to solve 1 by 1 problem, now look here. First problem, find the equation of straight line passing through the point. So remember 1-point formula as well as slope formula. Yes, so first problem solution. Solution number 1, find the equation of straight line passing through the point. Given data in general x1 y1 is given ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ -2, 3 and slope denoted by m is equal to -4. Now to find the equation of straight line, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದವು? 1 point. You know the formula, 1-point formula. Therefore equation of straight line using 1-point formula. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the values, y minus y1 value 3, m value -4 into x minus x1 value -2. Simplify, y minus 3 is equal to -4 into x minus into minus plus 2. Implies y minus 3 is equal to -4x minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Further simplify, y minus 3 take equal on right side, minus into minus plus 4x minus into minus plus 8 is equal to 0. Rearrange, 4x plus y minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line passing through the point -2, 3 with the slope -4. Clear, students? Similarly, second one, given data, find the equation of line passing through the point x1 y1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? -4, 3 and slope denoted by m is equal to 1/2. Same type. Now apply the formula. You know the formula. Equation of line passing through the given point is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, 1.4. Substituting the values, y minus y1 value 3, m value 1 by 2, x minus x1 value minus 4 implies y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into minus plus x plus 4. Further simplify, cross multiply 2 into y 2y, 2 into 3 6 is equal to x plus 4, or x plus 4 is equal to 2y minus 6. Both are same. This implies x plus 4, take equal on right side, minus 2y minus into minus plus 6 is equal to 0. Rearrange, therefore x minus 2y plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 0. This represents equation of line passing through the given point having a slope m. M value is 1 by 2. Okay. Whereas third one, find the equation of straight line passing through the point, ಏನಿದೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು 0, 0 and slope m ಇದೆ. Slope is m. Therefore, what is equation of straight line? 1 point formula. Equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದನ್ನೇ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, y minus y1 value 0 is equal to m as it is, x minus x1 is also 0. Then further simplify, y minus 0 is y is equal to m into x minus 0 is x. Therefore, y is equal to mx, or mx minus y is equal to 0. This represents equation of line passing through the origin having slope m. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ, fourth problem, find the equation of straight line passing through the point 2, 2 root 3 x1 y1 and inclined with x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Inclined with x-axis means makes an angle 75 degree. Theta value is given, not m value. Theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದಾ? So we know that a straight line makes an angle theta with x-axis, that is known as slope of straight line. What is the formula? M is equal to tan theta, that is m is equal to tan theta value 75 degree, right? Correct? So what is the value of tan 75 degree? Solve madidira. In compound angle, tan 75 degree is equal to how much? 2 plus root 3 ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So tan of 75 degree is equal to 2 plus root 3. Tan 15 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. Tan 75, 2 plus root 3. We got m and x1, y1. Now the question is to find the equation of straight line. Therefore, equation of straight line using 1 point formula. ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the values, y minus y1 value 2 root 3, m value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 2 plus root 3 into x minus x1 value 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Simplify, y minus 2 root 3 is equal to, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, 2 into x 2x, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus root 3 into x root 3x, root 3 into minus 2 minus 2 root 3. Correct? So this implies y minus 2 root 3. Take equal on right side, equal is equal to ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 2x minus into minus plus 4 minus root 3x minus into minus plus root 3 is equal to 0. Correct? Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 cancel. rearrange minus 2x minus root 3x ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 2 minus 2x minus x into root 3 minus root 3x right then plus y then constant value plus 4 is equal to 0 or multiply by minus sign ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ minus sign ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ minus ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 2 plus root 3 plus of 2 plus root 3 into x minus ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇನಾಯಿತು minus y this is minus 4 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line passing through the point 2 comma 2 root 3 makes an angle 75 degree with x axis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 2 plus root 3 ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು x1 y1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ you know the formula for 1.4 substituting the value of x1 and y1 as well as m go on simplify it will get required answer. Clear students? Whereas fifth problem ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ problem number 5 find the equation of straight line intersecting the x-axis ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ this is x-axis this is y-axis O is the origin okay this is negative direction of x-axis observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ equation of straight line intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin this is origin left of the origin minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 units ಇದರ ಲೆಂತ್ 3 units ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾತು intersecting the x axis negative direction of x axis ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3 units to the left of the origin this is right of the origin that is left of the origin with slope minus 2 ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಿದು 1 2 3 ಇದರ ಲೆಂತ್ 3 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ now you take a point A now OA lies on which axis x axis but direction is opposite direction so what is OA distance minus 3 y value 0 why because OA lies on negative direction of x axis that's why by taking minus 3 don't take plus 3 ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin ನೀವು left of the origin length is 3 but direction ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ towards negative direction ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೈನ್ -3 y value 0 because OA lies on x axis y coordinate is 0 okay now here we got x1 y1 given x1 y1 is the point ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು -3 0 and slope is given m is equal to -2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ತಾನೆ intersecting the x axis at a distance of 3 units to the negative of the origin negative side of the origin left of the origin to the left side of the origin left side alli draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ it is a straight line okay now we got the points x1 y1 and slope m okay -2 now therefore equation of straight line short form or we can write straight line or simply line is given by the formula using 1.4 y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1 y minus y1 value 0 slope m value -2 x minus x1 value -3 correct so y minus 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು y is equal to -2 into x minus into minus plus 3 implies y is equal to minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 implies y, take equal on right side, plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Rearrange 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? So nodri idna artha madkolri concept. Equation of line intersecting the x axis. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? x axis intersect ಆಗಿದೆ at a distance of 3 units to the left side of the horizon. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೈನ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು. To the right of the horizon ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Here to the left of the horizon its distance is 3. But OA lies on which axis? Negative direction of x axis. Coordinates of point A minus 3 comma 0. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ 0 ಆಯಿತು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ OA ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? x ಮೇಲಿದೆ. y coordinate is 0. We got the point x1 y1 and slope m value is given minus 2. Then apply the formula for 1.4. Its equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the values y minus y1 value 0, m value minus 2 into x minus x1 is minus 3. So y minus 0 is y is equal to minus 2 into x minus into minus plus 3. Y is equal to minus 2x minus into plus minus 6. Take equal on right side, y plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Rearrange 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Idea bantala? Take one more problem. Bekare innond problem nodre. Sixth one. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 2 comma 3 and makes an angle 45 degree with positive direction of x axis. With positive direction of x axis. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Sixth one, given data. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point 2 comma 3 denoted by x1 y1 and makes an angle theta. Theta value given ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 45 degree. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ m is equal to tan theta. That is m is equal to tan theta value 45 degree. Tan 45 degree how much? Standard angle 1. Standard angles ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Tan 45 degree 1, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3, tan 60 degree root 3. Okay, so we got slope value. Then apply the formula for 1.4. Hence, equation of straight line or equation of line using 1 formula is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Y minus y1 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3. m value 1. X minus x1 value 2. Simplify y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 2, or we can write x minus 2 is equal to y minus 3, right? So this implies x minus 3. Take equal on right side, minus y minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 0. Rearrange x minus y minus 3 plus 3 cancel is equal to 0. X minus y is equal to 0. Correct? Nodri illi tappidevana. So this is y minus 3 alla idu. This is x minus 2. X minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So rearrange, therefore x minus y minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line passing through the point 2 comma 3 makes an angle 45 degree with x axis. Okay, take one more problem. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point that is seventh one, passing through the point say 4 comma 3 and makes an angle 120 degree with x-axis, 120 degree with x-axis. Now given x1 y1 is the point 4 comma 3 and theta value is given 120 degree. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ m is equal to tan theta, that is m is equal to tan theta value 120 degree. Simplify 120 degree. How to split it? Now 120 degree can be written as 180 minus 60, or if you take 90 degree plus 30 degree, 90 plus 30 is also 120, 180 minus 60 is also 120. So don't split 100 plus 20 because 100 degree that is not quadrant angles. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ದೊಳಗನೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 120 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಐದರ್ 180 minus 60 or 90 plus 30. Now that second angle you call it as theta. Now apply allied angle. If the angle 180 minus theta, what happened? Trigonometric ratios remains same, tan theta. But 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, tan is negative, minus tan 60. That is minus tan 60 degree value, root 3. We got slope. Slope ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, therefore equation of straight line is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the values, y minus y1 value 3, m slope value minus root 3, x minus x1 value is 4, right? Then simplify. Y minus 3 is equal to minus root 3x, remove that bracket, minus into minus plus root 3 into 4 or 4 into root 3. This implies y minus 3, take equal on right side, minus into minus plus root 3x minus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Rearrange. Therefore, rearrange root 3x plus y, right? Minus 3 minus 4 root 3. Take minus common, 3 plus 4 root 3. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ? is equal to 0. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. minus 3 ಇದೆನಾ? minus into plus minus 4 root 3. So, final answer root 3x plus y minus of 3 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Clear, students? So these are the problems based on 1-point form. Remember that formula, 1-point formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ 1-point form ಏನು? y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? 1-point form. x1 y1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 having a slope m is given by the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, that is known as 1-point form. Based on 1-point form, these are the problems. Clear, students? Okay. Next type, that is slope intercept form, we will discuss next class. Okay, thank you.